Namaste friends. Today we will discuss about childbirth and how we can use KP to check whether it is delayed or denied. The primary house for childbirth is the fifth house, and you always need to check the fifth cuspal sublord to determine details about childbirth. As you can see here, the fifth cuspal sublord in this chart is Mercury. So let's find out what Mercury signifies. You can see under planets that Mercury is in the second house and it owns houses 6, 7 and 9. But the rule in KP states that every planet will give the results of its star lord first. So in this case, the star lord is Saturn, which is signifying 11 and 2. The query regarding childbirth came from a couple who have been married for about 10 years now, and this is the chart of the lady. When you come across a query like this, you will always check the lady's chart first, and then if need be, you will check the man's chart. And in KP, irrespective of what the query is, the first part as an astrologer for you, the query would be, is the event promised? Only if it is promised, you will do further analysis. Otherwise, you will stop at that. As mentioned earlier, the fifth cuspal sublord in this chart is Mercury, and it's placed in the second house. Now, fifth house is the primary house for childbirth, but we cannot neglect the fact that second house and 11th house also play a vital role in childbirth. Second house represents the immediate family, that is the wife, husband and the child. And the 11th house, you can see it in two ways. One is its wish fulfillment for the native, and the second part is 11th house also represents the fifth house of the spouse. Now that the star lord is giving us the supporting houses for childbirth, let's see what is the sublord promising us. Sublord in this case is again Saturn, which is giving us the 11th house and the second house, which means childbirth is promised. However, since both the star lord and the sublord in this case are both Saturn, we can arrive at the conclusion that childbirth is certainly delayed. But before we can conclude that childbirth is only delayed and not denied in this chart, we also need to make sure that the fifth house is not damaged in any way. If we take a look at the fifth house aspects, you can see here that Jupiter is actually impacting the fifth house at 90-degree aspect, which means Jupiter will not allow this to happen during its Dasha, Bhukti or Antara. The overall analysis of this chart reveals that childbirth is delayed but not denied, and it will not happen during the Dasha, Bhukti, Antara of Jupiter. If there is any other favorable planet which signifies the fifth house, the second house and the 11th house, childbirth will happen during that Dasha, Bhukti and Antara. I hope you have understood the concept of using KP to check for childbirth, whether it's delayed or denied. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.